In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use the trim method in JavaScript string object. So here, if you can notice one thing, there is a spaces between these quotation marks, right? If you want to remove that one, you can use trim as a method, so that this trim method would remove the white spaces in the text. So when I save and refresh, you will see just I love Apple. These white spaces has been removed by the method name called trim. Then the next method that we are going to see them is two uppercase and two lowercase. So when you use two uppercase, so let me save and run. So everything will be converted into a uppercase. Same when you use lowercase, the entire string will be a lowercase. Let me save and run. The entire string would converted into a lowercase. So this is how two uppercase, two lowercase and string methods would work in JavaScript. Finally, we are going to see something about concatenation. So there is a function name called concatenation. You can use concat as a keyword. So it's going to take two parameters. So the first parameter, you can just say this quotation, comma, what you want to concatenate. Let's say I'm going to concatenate like Ranjan. It doesn't make sense though. So here it's just a matter of how to use the concatenation string object method. So concat as a keyword, this quotation says this is the actual one, comma, I'm going to concatenate with Ranjan. So when I refresh, you will see I love Apple, then Ranjan. Now I hope you know how to use this concatenation keyword.